Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Guys, I'm super excited to be back on the channel because today, honey, we are going to be reviewing a fantastic new wig. Oh my god. So this wig was sent to me by IDefine Hair in this beautiful black box, and they said, you know, honey, we like you. We like you. So, you know, check out our wig, okay? We think you're fabulous. And I said, why not? Okay. So I do know the wig is 150 density. It is 16 inches wavy, and it's a 13x4 lace. Okay, so let us take a look at the hair. So it is a bang, okay, bang, okay, you know. I loved bangs when I was in college. I would rock the bangs, okay. Yeah, I remember those days. But I haven't worn a bang in a long time, so I'm super excited. I was excited when they reached out and said, hey girl, you know, check us out, give us a try, you know, here you go, pick what you like. And I was like, you know, let's go for a little bang. I haven't had this in a minute. It's got a bit of a color, you know, a bit of a beautiful color right there. And just to give you an idea, that is, you know, that's kind of what it looks like. So this is IDefine Wig. And of course, all their links is going to be in the description box, okay? And of course, they sent me some wig caps. Super excited. Okay, and the fantastic wig. So let's try her on. Okay, so just to give you guys a closer look, you can see the construction of the wig. Okay, you have your comb right there. Okay, you have a comb, and there's three more combs inside, and of course the elastic band, which you absolutely need. I love those because it helps to secure the wig. And of course we have the excess lace, but let's just try it on first as is and take a peek and see what she's giving. I'm super excited, you guys, because there's going to be a discount code for my subscribers. So thank you to IDefine Hair. So ladies, if you love it, you know, go check it out. And of course, they have tons of other options on the website. You can give it a shot. You can give it a try. Okay. So before I cut it, I'm just going to throw it on. You can see the, oh, that's cute. You can see the bang a bit. And I hope you guys can see the color. I love the color. I was super hoping I would get something a bit longer, but this is okay to start just to see what it's giving. Okay, do you love it? All right, here we go. Oh, that is so cute, you guys. So cute. Okay, let me go take the lace off. Okay, let's take the lace off and we can really get the full beauty of her. All right, guys, so I've cut the lace off and this is what she is giving. Okay, straight out of the box, no less. I would tell you she feels super soft. It is 100% virgin hair and it's absolutely beautiful. It clearly holds a curl beautifully, and I think she's gonna get even like a fuller with time. Absolutely fantastic. And as a busy woman and mom, I love this because I can totally just throw this on and go about my day, go about my business, okay, go, you know, to work. This is like the perfect everyday work hair, business, you know, business sexy, business cuteness. What do we think, you guys? Do you love it? Very beautiful. Okay, it's not too full. It's the perfect, like, you know, curtain bangs. I think they're called curtain bangs. So the perfect curtain bangs. Okay, very, very, very nice. Very nice. Yes. So what do we think? Do you guys love it? I'm super excited. I absolutely love it. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely go check their website out. The link is in the description. Okay, you get 15% off with the code Eddie15. So definitely go check them out, guys. And yeah, sign off in the comments, guys. Let me know if you love this and if you've shopped with them. Or this is my first, but I'm sure it will not be my last from this beautiful company. So thank you, IDefine Wigs, for sending me this beautiful hair. And yeah, guys, I can't wait to read your comments and go check them out. Okay, that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share. Okay, definitely share this wig, share the links with your besties, your girlfriends, your mom, your sis. okay, so that they can look fabulous too. Hey, listen, summer's around the corner, okay? So yeah, I'm super excited. Thank you so much, you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.